Hello. I want to talk about service to God today, serving the Lord. If the teaching in these videos is resonating for you, please help spread this information by subscribing to the channel and by commenting on it and asking questions and developing your practice of meditation that transcends, so that we can bring this to the world. Now, serving the Lord. Throughout time, there have been many ideas about the way to serve God. Some of these ideas have been very harmful. During the Crusades, the Inquisition, what's happening right now in the Middle East and Afghanistan. How do you know what the best way to serve God is, if that is what you want to be doing? The best way to serve the Lord is to know the Lord. This is accomplished with transcending in your meditation practice. When you transcend the relative field, the experience is of yourself, left by itself, to unfold itself to itself. When you return to experience of the relative field, you bring these faintest feelings of contentment and peacefulness and abundance into the world. These faint levels of feeling radiate in waves across the entire universe, waves of peacefulness, contentment, and abundance. This is the way to serve the Lord. When you have had enough experience of the transcendent, divine being, yourself, then your very mind and physiology rise to that level. You are established in yourself, the first stage of enlightenment. Being established in yourself, you know yourself as separate from this relative field. You know yourself as divine being. Then all of your actions are supported by the laws of nature to bring results in the direction of evolution for yourself and for all of creation. This is the way to serve God. So please join me. Do your practice of meditation that transcends regularly and repeatedly, and rise to that status of divine being, so that you may accomplish the purpose of creation. Thank you, beloved Guru. All glory be to thee.